Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use the Translator tool in the Read&Write browser extension. This feature is only available with the browser extension and does not appear in the desktop version of Read&Write. The Translator tool is useful for translating 1 to 2 words at a time into another language. The Translator tool can be used on all web pages and Microsoft 365 software. On the Read&Write toolbar, the Translator tool is the A and symbol card icons. And when you hover your mouse over, you can see the word Translator appear. To use this tool, or any of the tools on the browser extension, click on the icon and a small dot will appear, and the icon will change colour to show you are currently using that feature. In the Read&Write settings, under the Speech tab, you can choose the language you would like Read&Write to translate to. To use the Translator feature, you can highlight the word or have your cursor next to the word, then click on the Translator icon, and it will show you translations for that word in the language you selected in the settings. Alternatively, you can click on the Translator icon, then highlight the word or have your cursor next to the word, and you will see the translation for it. You can click on the play icon to hear the word read aloud.
House.
Hus.
To read.
Å lese.
So that is the Translator feature in the Read&Write browser extension. For more help on how to use the other Read&Write toolbar features, please check out the other videos. Thanks for watching.